Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop. Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought.
I don't know. Just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like I've been doing since I've been in here.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation. I can tell you that much.
Is there any way I could get treatment?
Ma'am, you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you don't want to do the jail time.
I think I need treatment.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No.
Alright guys, today's court case features a defendant who insists she doesn't need help for her drug addiction, but that claim doesn't age well. As the hearing unfolds, the judge hands down a serious sentence, and suddenly she's pleading for the very treatment she rejected. It's a dramatic and intense turnaround that's honestly hard to look away from. Let me know what you think about her courtroom performance, and if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive in.
Has anything threatened you or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please start your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your, enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty, and that would be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took a plea on. And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days. I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if I don't really know.
Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, so, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, ma'am, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You're just...
I don't know about you guys, but you can really feel the tension building in this courtroom. The defendant was already in serious trouble after being arrested on drug charges, and instead of taking the opportunity probation gave her, she completely dropped the ball. Probation is a privilege, not a right. It's the court's way of offering someone a chance to prove they can follow the rules. Even after being ordered into treatment, which is meant to focus on rehabilitation rather than punishment, she still failed to meet the conditions and is now trying to bargain with the judge. At some point, the court has to weigh public safety against giving repeated second chances. What do you think about her situation so far? Let's dive back in.
I know, if I get probation this time, I told myself, like, you know, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get, like, clean. And, you know, by summertime, I'd be, you know, working. I really want to get a car. But aside from the job thing, just, you know, I want to draw and make music. And I don't know, I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing.
Oh sure, she's been drinking water, so clearly she's ready to turn her whole life around. The sarcasm here is hard to miss. From the court's perspective, real change takes consistent action and accountability, not just good intentions or short-term improvements while in custody. The judge is likely looking for concrete proof she can follow through before considering another chance.
I haven't
Hey,
been.
ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff? Right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to court 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motions. So you just go through the motions, you don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, ma'am. I don't know. It's just, it feels different. It feels really different. I'm here's what for any probation that you can leave me to, but, you know.
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much. The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will know that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405.
If you look at my record, you see.
And the court will suspend your fines and costs on this matter.
What?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93 plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
They only been walking.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
no, that's
So
not.
you can do the jail time.
Ma'am, I'll do treatment.
And quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment.
Honestly, this has to be one of the most unbelievable court hearings in a while. The defendant seems completely out of touch with reality. The judge already gave her a break with probation, and she did nothing to take advantage of it. Now she's rejecting treatment, which practically guarantees the court will consider jail time. At this point, the judge doesn't have many options left. Probation isn't a free pass, it's a legal agreement that requires real effort and compliance, and her attitude makes it seem like she treated it as optional. You can almost sense the judge's frustration.
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, I got the people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. I have my.
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
Somebody in.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
Hey, I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in. Because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court is concerned that you're not going to abscond from treatment. So at this point, 138 days is what you're going to serve.
Boom, just like that, she gets 138 days. Honestly, the judge's decision feels pretty justified. While the sentence might sound heavy for drug-related charges alone, it's important to remember she completely ignored probation, the court's built-in second chance. She had multiple opportunities to stay out of jail and didn't follow through, so the judge's options were limited. At the end of the day, actions have consequences, and this outcome strikes a balance between accountability and giving her time to reflect. What's your take, fair sentence or overkill? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoy these wild courtroom moments, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.